To add recipes to your shopping list from your planner, first make sure you have recipes on your planner. To do this, tap on the planner icon on the bottom of your screen. And make sure you have all your recipes planned out just the way you want them. Once you've done that, head back to your shopping list and tap at the orange button Add from Plan in the top right hand corner. You can add any individual recipe to your shopping list by tapping on the left hand side Add, or you can add all the recipes that are planned for one particular day by tapping the box on the right hand side. So I'm just going to add a few recipes to my shopping list, then tap Next in the top right hand corner. This adds all the items from all those particular recipes that I checked to my shopping list. If I ever have any questions about which item came from which recipe, you can tap on any item and it will show you. In this case, I tapped on milk and it shows that 1.5 cups comes from the cheesy chicken pot pie recipe and 2 1/4 cups comes from the low-fat baked onion rings recipe for a total of 3 3/4 cups, which can be a nice reminder when you're at the grocery store.